Another grand landmark in the history of the Shamrock. We're trying to move this humongous dryer into the building.
Alright, yeah, I'll come back as far as I can. You shouldn't put that as far as you can. I know. Is that as far up as it can go?
We need to line it.
You need to move the plastic up. Yeah, that's, there you go. Yeah, you probably should straighten up. Eric, he's not wrong. You should probably straighten up with the doorway so you don't come in at an angle. Give him a little push, guys. There might want to just come over a little bit more, Eric. You'll have it this time. Yeah, now you're good. Perfect now. Yeah,
Right.
right on the money.
Slide that underneath of it. Okay. Is that all the way? Like, put it up against the tires almost.
Watch that strap's on that arm.
Yeah, these straps are almost screwing us.
Yeah, I don't think you need those straps, do you? You got it.
Well, the black ones aren't long enough.
Didn't want it to slide off the dolly.
Oh.
Take them off. Yeah, just all the way.
My buddy Frank watches this video. He's going to be laughing the whole time because this is what he does.
Push it up, we undo this so these wheels lay up here.
Okay, now we bring it in. Now you got the. You guys are hung up on the expansion joint.
Yeah, just hold on.
Got it this far. Can't quit now.
I'll bring it back farther.
Okay.
And then stand it up so it's stood up in front of the doorway.
Yeah.
I got metal pipes too. We might be able to swivel it that way on metal.
Cardboard or...
There's a box up there, we'll use those.
We got cardboard boxes, yeah, up in front.
Are you want to bring it further this way?
Yeah, but we got...
Oh, we're getting really close to this wall.
Don't let it go too far, y'all.
Alright, let's...
Before you put it on the top.
You got that black sheet of plastic too, which
It's on wheels on the dolly.
that thing might spin on that plastic. Plastic's pretty slick. What do you think?
We can try it, don't hurt to try. I just know. Alright.
I just had to get the biggest dryer I could find.
This is not the one you pulled out of here?
Bigger's better. What?
This is not the one you pulled out of here?
This never had a dryer.
Oh, I thought you said you pulled one out of here.
No, they never. Originally, when they built this place, everything was clothesline dried.
I think that back edge needs to come up about where the door is.
So,
You ready to stand it?
You should be able to hit the button
you
and.
going up and over?
You just stand it up.
Stand it up. We're on the dolly now. Ready?
Watch yourself, Jamie.
Big crust,
Nowhere
buddy.
near under it.
Alright. We're good to go away. Now,
It'll come right in.
I made it as tight as I could, guys.
Appreciate that. Like it tight. I'm not gonna push it again.
we're good. It's just this.
There you go.
No, I would pivot with it on there.
Yeah. Anything?
I almost didn't bring that piece of plastic.
That thing's the best thing you got. Triple flash.
Alright, hold on.
What about the top?
Rick, you wanna go in the back there?
Hold on, we gotta go. Where we at, Mike? Pivoting?
No, it's just
Gotta go.
all the way down here. We need to
Well,
stick
no, we're hitting on this other side too, a little bit. There, now it's over. Yep.
You ready to be flush?
Alright, hold on, let me go out there.
I mean,
Unless you don't need a hand.
It's okay if you scratch the floor in here, nobody's gonna see it.
We're hitting on this side again.
a piece of plastic ain't really doing nothing but making me sick now.
Hold on, guys, hold on. Let's tip this up and get this stuff out of here before you get in there.
Just saying.
If you can. I'll be good.
Ready?
Get a little push, yeah.
Okay, we'll leave it right there.
Okay, we're gonna get it hooked up.
Okay. This is
Good
where
job,
it's,
guys.
this is where it stays from now on.
This is his permanent home.
Better be.
Another landmark victory.
That was huge. That's huge right there, gentlemen.
Literally.
And she knows her huge
You
things.
know my huge things. Thank you for noticing.
Who's gonna take a ride in it?
Rita, climb up in there.
Yeah. I'll put it in there.
That's awesome.